Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Homebrew onto your macOS. So for that, just go to your favorite browser and search for Homebrew and just go into this first link from brew.sh and just simply copy this command from here. You can just simply click here to copy, and so just simply open the terminal and let me just paste that command which we have just copied from the browser and just click enter and enter the password of your Mac and just click enter. This will install the Homebrew into our system. So once this is done, so here you can see, so this is asking us to run these two commands into the terminal to add the Homebrew into our path. So let me just simply copy these two commands line from here, and simply you can just right click and click on copy, and you can just simply press on command and B to paste and just click enter. So this will add this Homebrew into the path. So you can just check it by just typing nano and just type dot z profile. So just type z profile and just click enter. So you can see this has added this Homebrew. So let me just type control and X to exit. So now if you want to check the version of Homebrew you have installed, so you can just simply type brew -- version, and you can see the Homebrew 4.3.1 has been successfully installed into our system. So once you install the Homebrew, so you can just install the software you want to install by using the Homebrew. So let me just try to install the Git using the Homebrew. So to install the Git by using Homebrew, so you can just simply type brew and just type install and just type git and click enter. So this will install the Git into our system. So now if I just type git -- version, so when you type this git -- version, so this is showing the Git version from the Apple Git. So you can just simply type command and N to open the new tab of the terminal. So now if I just try to type the git -- version, so this is showing the Git version 2.45.1, which is the just installed version of Git. So you can see 2.45.1 has been installed successfully by using the Homebrew. So this is how you can install the Homebrew into your system. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.